Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to the channel. Today is a pretty bad day. My 2010 Kia Picanto conked out on me while I was going to get it checked up at a gas station where my friend owns, a Shell gas station. So basically, right before I was going in the driveway, my alternator fell off the hinge. So it broke off the water pump. So if you have a 2010 Picante, when that happens, your water pump you'll need to change, which is costly, and also the belt. So we're gonna go look at it now. Uh, so, anyways, my advice for you guys repairing your cars: make sure you take it to a reputable place. I took my car to another place that wasn't certified, so my warranty is not good. So I didn't take it back there because more problems would happen. So basically, they replaced my alternator at another place. They over tightened it. So basically, when the car overheated, it broke off into the engine. So that's my situation now. Um, I trust this guy because he's my friend. So just going to bear with it. And my advice: just take your cars to a reputable place. We're here, we got all the parts in, and now we're just trying to fix it. The water pump is already dead, it almost died, huh? Almost problem. There it is, right there. The old water pump. That was leaking.
Ano sinasabi mo muntik na malaglag?
Well, that's part of it.
Alternator na yun. Ayun, nandun na. Ayun ang alternator. Yun. Doon yan nakakabit dito sa nabasag ko.
So they're fixing it now. We'll see what happens.
Pati yung bolt sa ilalim. Ito, nakuha ko na lang doon sa ilalim.
Bakit siya nasira? Siguro kakaano ng mechanic.
Oo, mga tightening or
Talagang yung lifespan niya talagang nandun na lang. Kasi di mo gusto mabasag, basta yun. Kasi yun, imagine mo mabasag mo yan. Alo ito.
how long?
Yung lifespan niya talagang nandun na lang. Kasi may leak na rin siya eh.
Hello guys, back. So my car's almost done. In fact, I've the first alternator that I put in from the other guy that is not warranted, put in a wrong alternator. So basically, now I was forced to buy a brand new alternator, which is going to cost me about 200 US. Water pump, timing belt, and labor. So it very costly, about almost $400. So that's the cause. And what I just want to give you advice: if you're gonna repair your car, take it to a reputable shop and somewhere that is going to give you a guarantee, because you'll be in big trouble. So I'm now double paying so much money. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. You could also reply to me and let whatever problems you have with your car, and I can give you some advice. Take care.